What is Thanksgiving, by the way? How many of you were born, raised in this country? So, what is Thanksgiving? There was definitely right to what the sister said. But what is Thanksgiving? It's a national holiday, right? Why? That's the question. Why we're off on Thursday? To spend time with family. That's not the original plan. Okay, when did it start to become a national holiday? So basically, there's two stories about it, right? You will hear a story from, when there's two people see things differently, and everyone, but this one is, if you just go to Wikipedia, come on, I mean, just go to Wikipedia and put Thanksgiving. Well, they will tell you it is a holiday, right? In the about 18th century, where it starts in, some says it starts in Virginia, or some said it starts in Massachusetts, in Boston, right? When the settlers came in, now there's nothing about the genocide, right? They had harvest, and the harvest came out very well. So they were thanking Allah. It's thanks, it's shukr. Thanking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Why do they eat turkey and corn? Because it was started in Boston, Massachusetts. That's what they eat. That's the common food there. So if you read, you will hear all this. But then you have to dig down, and then the massacre comes in. And that's in the 1600. So when they came, the settlers, who was living here? The Native Americans. So they had a treaty with them, and then they broke the treaty, and 700 people were killed in one day. And they were happy and thanking Allah for the victory. So there's two sides of it. Okay, so there's two sides of it. Number one, it's not a religious holiday, because this is a very common question. People ask, should we celebrate? I said, what do you mean by celebrate? Right? What do you mean by celebrate? It's not a religious holiday, number one. Number two, the concept of thanking is part of our deen, right? But we don't have a day for thanking. We should be. I love how we praise ourselves, thanking every day. Wallah. Okay. Maybe you, and I'm talking about myself. Well, although Allah said it, وَقَلِيلٌ مِّنْ عِبَادِيَ الشَّكُورُ. Allah said it. Very few of my servants are grateful. So for me as a Muslim, the concept of thanking Allah in one day is not part of me. This is not. I should be grateful every day. Because, and I'm going to share with you some beautiful things about shukr. So what do I do on Thursday? The reason it is in the fourth or the last Thursday of November, of course related to economy. So they can kick the holiday seasons of shopping earlier. And that's why there's a Black Friday afterward. Or Cyber Monday, or whatever, Tuesday. Fine, okay, go and buy. Yani, it's not haram. So far, what should I do on Thursday? And for us as Muslims, right? Well, the reason we get together, because, but why? Exactly, because everyone is off. Schools are off, colleges are off, people are traveling, they come because it's a whole week, they come and see their family. So if you take this, there's nothing wrong with that. The only thing maybe, I don't have to do the turkey and whatever and whatever and whatever. I'm going to make it a dinner because my family is here. But I need to remind myself, am I thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Right? And I need to remember the injustice. The word genocide should resonate with us these days, right? So imagine 400 years from now, people will say 2023, 2024, right? 40,000+ people were killed. Those were 700. So now for me as a Muslim, this is how and you don't say, oh, everything is haram. or everything is okay. Analyze it, think of it. This is how, even when you come to the tafsir of the Quran, especially tafsir Ibn Kathir, there's something called Isra'iliyat, which is stories from Bani Israel. What's our position toward them? If they go parallel, agree with what we believe in, you take it. And if it does not, you don't, right? So we don't celebrate Christmas, that's for sure. Why? Because we don't even believe he was born in December. He was born in summer, because Allah told her, هزي إليك بجذع النخلة, shake the palm tree. When does the dates comes? When does the dates become ripe? It's not in the winter, right? It's in the summer. So for me, I don't celebrate Christmas itself, and also it is a religious duty. I mean, religious holiday. Of course, it's not, everything is becoming commercial, unfortunately. But for me, Thanksgiving, okay, I need to remind myself three things. Number one, the concept of being grateful, the concept of injustice and genocide, and then take care of your family. So when I'm getting together, because I had this question, this is actually why, one of the reasons, because somebody reads, she said, I got invited and they say it is Thanksgiving, should I go? That's what the question I got. And I was like, what is Thanksgiving? This is how it is. You analyze what it is. What is your intention? I got someone invited me for dinner. I'm going to go. Why it is Thursday? Because everybody is off, right? All my family is coming. But I wouldn't specify, again, Turkey and whatever, because this may be related to the genocide, right? And I stay away from it.